Guys, I'm on the Disney Wish, the Disney's latest cruise ship, and I got something very cool to show you. So inside this funnel, let me show you something very cool. Oh,
Well, hello there.
hello.
You guys are in for a real treat. Today I'm going to be showing you the Wish Tower Suite, which is inside the funnel aboard the Disney Wish. So come on, let's go and see what it's all about. So, in order to get up to this suite, you need to walk up 4 flights of stairs.
Well, not if you're staying in it. That's
Right, if you're staying in it,
There's an
elevator.
but only you have access to that,
Right, only you have access to that, the special elevator.
obviously, because no one else should be accessing your suite, right?
Exactly. I'm gonna show you guys what the elevator looks like right now. Whew. My legs hurt, but it's a little. Here it is. There's the elevator.
Right.
You gotta have special access.
Yeah.
Wow, y'all. Look at this Wish Tower Suite.
Wow.
It really is a wow. Truly, truly amazing. Okay, so where do I get started?
I don't know.
It's a dining room that seats 6 people.
Right.
This room sleeps up to 8 people as well. If you didn't know, up to 8 people could be booked in this room. Look at here. It's a Moana theme, guys. Look at Moana statue. Everything in here just reminds me of the ocean, reminds me of blue, reminds me of Hawaii, but on an elegant level. Really, really nice. Look here. It's like a full-on living room.
With the
Plenty of
TV,
sitting area.
TV pulls out.
Up.
And if you're in need of a cocktail, why not?
Right. You need a cocktail though.
Why not just? I think I'll have a seat here.
And you can sit at this lovely bar, have a drink, and just chit chat and socialize with your guests.
Beautiful.
Look at over here, Maui and his hood. Really, really nice statue here because I told you.
It's the
guys,
Disney detail.
It's the Disney details for me. Okay. They had a full-on Sub-Zero in here, where I'm sure you can store wine and have any types of wine.
Right.
With a little wet
Right next to the bar. Yeah.
Really, really nice. And what's through that door?
Hmm.
Let's go and see. Oh, wow.
Right. Because why sit out there if you could
Just sit in here and have your
a
own
quiet room?
quiet room, a sitting area.
Very nice.
While Moana is sitting there, looking into her seashell. Really
Wow.
nice. You can also come and sit at this vanity and do your makeup. Absolutely amazing.
Wow.
So nice. Look at the TV. Very nice sized TV as well.
Right.
All right, what is this?
Closets, I'm sure. Yeah. More closet area.
Closets, more closet area. Store your luggage,
Yep. Safe and everything else.
safe and everything else.
And this is just a sitting area.
Oh, we love a floor to ceiling mirror. Really nice. Check yourself out. Check out your outfit before you go because we know you're going to be dressed your finest if you are booking this type of cabin. Okay, let's go on inside. Stateroom. Look at this.
Wow.
A full shower. A full shower is here.
Oh, an accessible shower.
Yes, an accessible shower with
Wow.
a seat and a handle.
Very
Bar
nice.
handle for you. Really nice. I love that towel. It reminds me of like fish, like scales.
Tile. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a good looking one.
Really nice. Toilet.
Mm-hmm.
Gold
Nice bathroom.
fixtures. Bulgari products. This is really nice and it's really large in here. Perfect for someone if they are in a wheelchair. Very spacious. And it's not that high. You can come and, brush your teeth, wash your hands, and all
Right.
that jazz.
Yeah, it's set up
It's
correctly.
Set up correctly for that.
Of course now, guys, At the end upstairs and here, there are emergency
See,
exits in case of any emergency. You do have an emergency exit. You do not have to run down those stairs or the elevator, of course.
All right, so this wish shower suite has an entire kitchen in it. Okay, no, it doesn't have a stove and a stove or anything like that, but it does have an entire kitchen for you to be comfortable in, because you can get food delivered to your room like the restaurants like Palo and stuff like that, because it is concierge. Okay, and it has a double sink, which is really, really beautiful. And it has this thing where you can close it. One more, and close it off.
Oh.
To your family and your guests. Really nice. Okay, all underneath here is just it has a full-on dishwasher. Okay, all of those things that a kitchen would have. And of course, a kitchen is not complete without a refrigerator, right? I love how the cabinetry looks like walls. It's really cool. So they keep it fully stocked as well. So really, really nice. And I'm sure in the freezers, you can get just as much Mickey bars as you want if you have this tower. Over here is an espresso machine and a huge tea kettle, all Nespresso products. Really nice. And when you have this type of room, I told you guys in a family ocean view veranda room, the family balcony rooms, the other staterooms, you can just get continental breakfast. But for the concierge, you can get a hot galley breakfast also, as long as you put this out on your door by 3 a.m. And also, you get all-on room service, and the room service menu is looking real good, y'all. Okay, a little tomato salad, I got gnocchi, cheeseburgers, all that jazz. Okay, and I'm sure you can get anything, what else you like in the other rooms to deliver to you. Okay, in this closet, I'm sure this is just for your steward, your stateroom attendant. They probably have stuff that they need to keep this place tidy in there. Nice wine glasses and all that jazz. Just more storage space, phone. A lazy Susan. Who doesn't love a lazy Susan? Okay. 2 stories. Come on upstairs. All right, upstairs is 3 bedrooms. This is the master bedroom up here, which is absolutely gorgeous. You can sit, relax, look at the view that you see.
And
from
they got
this
the
bed.
blinds down right now.
Yes.
That which you control goes up and down.
Yes.
Very nice.
And the TV comes up from the footboard.
Yeah, that's nice.
This duvet set is absolutely beautiful with the embroidered pillows, pillowcases, 2 nightstands, and I noticed that in
There's
this
a lot
room
of
though, they don't have the USB ports on the nightstands.
Yeah, it's under there, probably.
Is it?
Yeah, look inside.
Oh, you gotta bend down.
Right.
You gotta bend. Okay?
There's a lot of bending. You don't have to bend like that.
Sorry guys, that was a little dramatic. Okay, so and here is a desk, makeup vanity. I mean, you can do your makeup at this beautiful vanity over here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, has a nice makeup mirror. Come on into this lovely,
Wow me.
luxurious bathroom. No, this is a wow.
Yeah, seriously.
This is a wow. It is a double sink, absolutely gorgeous, with the Bulgari. Okay,
We like
products. All right.
And y'all know how we get down. Yo, give me some. That's the lotion?
I'm washing my hands.
Yo, how many pumps was that?
It wasn't coming out.
Yeah, right. You took like 10 pumps.
No, I did not.
And I ain't mad at you.
Oh, yes. It's giving me, it smells like jasmine. Oh.
Yeah, using up the people towels. All right.
All right, nice and clean. Okay.
Yeah, get the lotion going. Yeah.
All right, guys. So
All right.
This is a beautiful soaking tub, large, with a nice tray. You can sit, Have yourself a glass of wine.
Beautiful.
Beautiful gold fixtures. Look how large this shower is. Let me just step on inside.
No. It's so large. Let me
Step
step in with you.
Okay, we're in the shower.
Together.
Beautiful rain head shower head. Is that what you call it? Rain head shower head? Okay. Really nice. And then we also have the one up here. He's sitting up here. He's supposed to be, come on, you're supposed to be helping me out here. All right? And then I just have shampoo conditioner. I noticed that they don't have Bulgari body wash. What's the body wash?
It's probably in the closet.
Yeah, it's probably in the closet. You probably have to request it. They probably come with a huge...
My friend, this is concierge.
I know.
If you want it, you can have it.
You absolutely can.
And this is Disney. If you want it,
you can have it.
Okay, if you can dream it,
you can have it. All dreams
if
do
you
come true.
wish.
Your wishes will come true.
It's a bar.
I know it's a bar. All right.
Wait, it's my bar. What do you mean? Go ahead.
Hanging on these bars is these beautiful, thick robes.
Yeah.
I mean, these robes are thick.
They're real thick. Yeah.
They're real nice, real thick.
Yeah.
All right.
Listen, these walls, marble tile with the gold fixtures, classy.
Very classy.
Very
couth.
Yes. Pooping station. Even that looks great. All right, and across the hall. What do we got? Wow.
Oh, hello. Just come on into my bedroom, okay? This is where I'll be staying. This is a
That's crazy because I
beautiful-
thought we were staying in the other one together, but
Oh,
you're
no,
gonna stay in. We're sleeping in
I'm really
separate beds,
feeling
or
the vibes of this
You like this
bedroom.
one?
Okay, this is really gorgeous. Look here. Look at the blue. This blue is giving me Cinderella. Even though this room is a Moana theme, everything here is all about the ocean. Okay, the blue ocean, and it's just so gorgeous. This is a Moana theme room, by the way. I don't think I mentioned that, and I'll show you guys more pictures and stuff when we go around.
TV.
TV comes up from
Tucked.
the footboard. 2 nightstands.
Let me show them
Basically
what I was
Same type
saying.
of nightstands. Same type of nightstands.
See down there,
here.
guys? Okay. The other room
Very
also
light
did have a
fixtures.
closet, a huge walk-in closet that we didn't show, and this one, of course, does too.
Nice, large walk-in closet.
Large.
Very large. This closet is larger than the closet I have in my home. This is really, really nice.
You did not have to say that on YouTube.
I mean, it is. It is what it is.
That's true.
And it's probably larger than a lot of people that's sitting here watching this right now.
So don't be worried about what we got in our house. Worry about what you got in your house. All right, let's.
Oh my goodness. So we are continuing on. As I told you guys, I was going to show you some Moana pictures. Look at baby Moana. So cute. All right. This bathroom also
It's a wow.
has a wow factor.
Yeah.
Okay. This extra large soaking tub with the gold fixtures. It also has the wand so you can just rinse your body down when you stand up. You know, when you have all that soap and stuff on you, after you're done, you can just stand up and shh. Rinse yourself. Shh.
Right.
Okay?
Yeah.
Also the
Do you-
same type of thing, the Bulgari products, okay? The lotions, the makeup washcloths. To
That's
get your
important.
makeup off. That's very important, okay? Don't be ruining these good people whitewash clothes.
All right, now with the Mickey Mouse logo on it.
Really, really nice. Also, these beautiful plush robes. Come on, let's step into the shower. Let's take a shower. This is a really nice shower.
Very nice.
I love the tiles. It's extra large, long tiles to those little small ones.
Yeah.
Really, really nice. Love this. Oh, I could do a full photo shoot.
You sure can. Let me see. Hit it.
Oh.
Turn around. Let me see some more.
All right, we're gonna keep on going. Thank
Okay.
you. All right.
All right, we'll look later.
Okay, and then of course, the toilet.
Yes, toilets are good. Tafiti.
Tafiti, and look, she's holding Moana. Absolutely gorgeous picture. This is really, really nice. Love that. So guys, I told you that this room is a Moana theme, right? So this room is for the kids. Look here at this beautiful
The detail.
detail in the door.
It's
so
the,
nice. It's Moana and her grandma.
It's the Disney
so
detail.
Nice. It's the details for me. Okay, the big blue chicken. Oh my God. Come on into the Moana. Come on in to the Moana room for the kids.
Wow.
First thing I notice is the sparkling lights in the ceiling.
It's like from the movie.
It just, yes, exactly. It's just like from the movie.
Yeah, you follow
I
the
can
stars.
imagine when you turn off all of the lights that.
Can you?
Can I?
Can you?
Can I?
Ooh, that's cool. It's gonna look better at night, guys.
It looks better at night.
Because the door is, you know, translucent.
Wow, so pretty, the twinkling lights.
These beds are built in, so
Built-in
they're
beds.
extremely
Yes.
firm, I'm sure. Wow, look at the
This is so nice.
look at the Disney detail. Wow.
Yes, and with the reading lights for the kids. Oh, sure, I want to be a kid. Not to get up in here.
You should probably get that.
Definitely a great room for the kids.
Again, the detail is just amazing. Maui's hook is in here. This is really dope.
Yeah.
More Moana theme. Wow.
And then
Yeah, let's see the kids' bathroom.
you open up this door and there's a bathroom for the kids.
Wow.
Really, really nice.
Right. This is like an adult size shower. A kid can
Absolutely.
fit in there, but
Yeah.
a big,
Definitely.
I mean, this is a great room.
The towel bar, they got great products. The toilet in here is also really, really nice.
Yeah.
This is giving me like Disney in Dubai or something. It is really, really nice.
Yeah.
Hey, Disney, I think I just came up with an idea.
Disney Dubai?
Disney Dubai. Call me Disney, I got some great ideas for you.
Why you put it on the video? Now they're gonna take your idea.
I know.
Now you don't get paid. Come on.
I mean, I didn't tell them all my ideas though.
Oh, you have more ideas.
Yes, I have more ideas.
Okay.
Okay. And look, if you gotta use the bathroom as soon as you come inside, there is a half bathroom right here,
Right at the front door.
right at the front door. Okay, it's a toilet and a sink. So
Okay.
that means that this has how many bathrooms? There are 3 upstairs, 1 full. So that's 4 full bathrooms and a half bath.
Wow.
4.5 bathrooms in this Wish Tower suite.
Many of options.
Many options. Many options. Are you guys booking? Are you booking? Okay. Okay, guys, so you just saw the Disney Wish Tower Suite, which is absolutely amazing. And I would like to thank Miss Lisa for showing us around and giving us, you know, a little bit of insight of what's going on in this room. Lisa, introduce yourself to our audience.
Hi everyone, my name is Lisa and I'm the hotel director here on board the beautiful Disney Wish. Lovely to meet you.
Yes, and so after everyone just watched this entire room tour, how can people book this room if they want to book it for their families?
Absolutely, so you can either go to our website at disneycruiseline.com or through your local travel agent. They'll be more than happy to help you book this incredible Disney Wish Suite Tower.
Absolutely.
Incredible is right.
The one question I didn't ask was, how many people does it sleep up to?
Up to 8 guests can enjoy this beautiful suite.
Ooh, 8 guests, y'all. So you better get your family together and put them coins together and come into the Wish Tower Suite, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tour because we surely did. It is even more beautiful in person. Guys, get yourself on the Disney Wish, okay? You gotta be here. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely amazing. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you enjoyed it, make sure you guys give this a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to share this with who? Your friends and family. Don't forget to drop a comment. Tell us what you think about this room. And until the next vlog, guys, continue to live
All right.
and Jazzy
Live.
live. Bye,
Bye, guys.
guys.